Nakita ko po ang pagbabago since 2010 when I assumed the post of the Regional Secretary for DOHR. Dati po, from Hulo to Luok, kailangan may escort kami na isang 6x na sundalo. Ngayon po, ang escort namin magaganda at guwapo na. Dito po sa ating hospital, it is only one building at mayroong building na dalawa o tatlo sa likod. Pero ngayon, iba na po ang kanyang itsura. Malaki na, nag-expand na tayo, at saka nadagdagan pa ng isang napakagandang facility, a 100-bed treatment facility. Thank you very much, FPW.
Your unwavering support and cooperation have been key to the success of this endeavor. So as we officially turn over this 100-bed capacity isolation facility, complete with access road, air condition, computer sets, and other equipments to the Ministry of Health. This milestone is a powerful testament to our collective commitment enhancing healthcare infrastructure, and most importantly to bringing essential closer to the heart of our community.
So, in behalf of the Ministry of Public Works, Sumu Second Engineering District, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to all of the stakeholders, MPW and MOH officials and staff, the LUP LGU.
Pag nagkakaisa po ang national government, ang regional government, yung provincial government, and other local government, is we have not just built a structure, so we have built a future in which our people can access the care they deserve.
Alam po yung aming layunin kung paano po mapaganda ang 2nd District ng Sulu at kasama na po ang buong lalawigan ng Sulu. We also represent our Chief Minister Alhaj Murad Ibrahim na pinaparating niya po sa inyo ang kanyang mainit na pagbate at ang kanyang layunin na wala pong maiiwan ni isang Bangsamoro na hindi natin mapagsilbihan.
We are confident that this facility will fulfill its purpose and stand as a pillar of health, safety, and hope for all. With this, marami pong salamat and keep safe everyone.
Let us help the Bangsamoro government. We stand as one Bangsa. We stand as one people. We may be divided into 1,000 islands, but we share one common ground as a Moro and as a Filipino. Sana po pagyamanin natin ang ating heritage without leaving a single moment of our identity to anyone, because this is our very own at wala po tayong mahanapang Moro kundi dito lang po sa Bangsamoro region.